Gemni888, obvious troll and troublemaker, has challenged me to a contest, the best of 7 series. The winner gets to have control of the other person's channel for 24 hours. And I accept. First challenge is a burping contest. I don't really burp like that. I'm not the type of guy that just disgusting people there. I don't burp like that. I mean, that's not my style. Some people think it's like cool or that it's a manly thing to burp, but I don't really burp like that. I'm probably gonna lose this shit here. He drank like 6 fucking pops straight before burping. I don't even know if he's human or what there. But there you go, burping contest, people. That's it. That's all that comes out. I can't even burp. I don't even know how to burp or something. Let me try this one more time there, fuck's sakes. He said it depends on the likes of the vid, so I might be able to win by a technicality there, so. Doesn't come out like normal humans, my burps. That's as far as it goes. I can't do the giant psycho burp thing. So Gemini wins, I guess, but according to his own words, it's about the likes. So if I get more likes than him, technically I should win by a technicality. So there you go, motherfucker. There's your burping contest. You fucking weirdo. Until next time. Peace.